term oopsie. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tabishi, your girl next door. So welcome back to another wear test video. Today's pick is Nykaa Molten Matte. I'm pretty sure that you guys must be knowing about this. This is so much talked about, and this is a very new launch, I think. And as soon as I saw this product on Nykaa, I ordered it for myself. And the very first thing that I really want to put in light is that this is not a matte lipstick. So if you are going to buy this thinking that you're going to get a comfortable wearing matte lipstick, then you'll be disappointed. This is not a matte lipstick. It's more of a stain for your lip and cheek, and I think this works better on your cheeks. If I think of this product as a stain, I am okay with this product. I am not disappointed. I'm okay with this product, but definitely this is not a lipstick. So if you are looking out for a stain which has decent coverage and could stay for 2 to 3 hours, this is good for you. This will be comfortable for you to wear also. So before today, I have not really worn this lipstick for like 8 hours or 9 hours, so I can't really say if it really dries out my lips or not. So that we will figure out today what's gonna happen, because today I'm wearing this and I'm going out and I'll be wearing this for an entire day and I'll do my usual wear test, right? So we'll see that in today's video. But one thing that I really want to point out is that it will need a reapplication after 1.5 hours. You cannot, because it fades out not nicely. So what happens, it really stains the lipstick in the inner circle and the outer circle just fades away. That was one disappointment, because you know, even if it's a stain, it should stain the lips properly and evenly. And I was really looking out for a stain, to be honest. So it wasn't, I mean, I didn't know before ordering that it's a stain, but I was okay with it. I was like, "Theek hai, chalo, I wanted a stain anyway, so why not Nykaa? You know, it's good. It's good. I think it's 650, right? And I think when they launched it, it was on 10% off also. I ordered the same day. So I was not disappointed with that. That thing that disappointed me was it didn't stay properly, even for 2 hours. And it's difficult to keep applying a lip stain every hour or two, right? Especially I go to office, and if that's the case, then you know, it's not nice. So yeah, that's all about the negative points that I have for this one. The positives are that it's very creamy in consistency. The applicator is nice. You can pretty standard. You can apply it properly. It has no issues with the applicator, and colors are okay. I mean, they could have had more range, but shades are okay for now for a new launch. One more thing that I really want to point out is that it takes a lot of time to dry, right? And the problem is that the coverage it gives in one stroke is very sheer. So even if you're looking for a stain, right, you want it to at least cover your lips. You don't want your lip color to pop out from within, right? So that was another issue that I had with this. So also, because it takes a lot of time to apply a second layer is another problem. So what I did is I used my fingers to kind of dab it on my lips, and I saw that was giving a better coverage, because you know, running the applicator again and again on your lips was just pushing the product away, which was not helping. So this is how I have applied the lipstick. I mean, this was the scene after the first coverage, and I could see my lips quite a lot, and I was not happy. And then I applied a second layer, kind of tried of drying it out, like drying the first layer using my fingers, because you don't have that much time that you can wait for 5 minutes, then apply a second layer, then again wait for 5 minutes, apply a third layer. That's a lot of time to apply a lipstick, and I don't have that usually in the morning. So yeah, it did take me time to apply this lipstick and wait for it to dry, but this is how it looks now, and I like the flushed look that it gives to you. It's just that I wish that it took a little lesser time to dry out, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's about my mini review of this lipstick. I mean, if you're looking out for a stain, probably you could go for it. I would give my final comments after wearing this lipstick for an entire day, considering how comfortable and uncomfortable this one is. And I'll keep you updated with the status of the lipstick every hour or so. So if you want to keep on watching and see how this lipstick stays, please keep on watching. Bye. So I'm back home and I am super tired. I don't know if my face can really tell that. Anyway, coming back to the point, this is how the lipstick looks like right now, and I want to zoom in a little and show you the condition of the lipstick or lip stain, whatever you want to say. So I don't know if this is very clear in my camera, but I can see my lips, and this is after applying 3 layers of the lipstick. And I am impressed with the, like, it doesn't dry out my lips, so that's a good point. And probably I would suggest you to go for all the darker shades in this range. I think lighter shades would do even less, would give you even less coverage. This is okayish, and it's just that I just wanted it to give a little more pigmentation, because I applied 3 layers and that should have given me a little more coverage. And this is, I think, like, I have been out, and I was out for like 6 hours now, and I think this has stayed pretty okayish. I have not eaten anything, however, so I think if you are having any meal, you will have to reapply it. But if you are not eating anything, probably one touch up would go a long way. So decide for yourself. I've shown you everything that I could have shown. I have tried to be very transparent with this. I showed you how the coverage is with 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layers, and how it has stayed. One thing that I missed out in the very beginning was to swatch it in my hands and show you guys. So here you go. Alright, and that's a very bad swatch. Okay, so I'll just show you. Here you go. Right, and see. So if you're, like, you know, trying to mix everything together, this is what's happening. And another problem is it takes a lot of time to dry, and swatching it on your hands is actually a little darker than your lips. When you put the same color on your lips, you'll find that it's actually not the same. You know, a little more sheerer on the lips. And that's about it. I have this shade Samantha, which looked very dark, by the way, on the swatches that I saw online. All the different swatches that I saw online, I thought this will be a very dark shade, but actually it's not. So I would suggest go for darker shades. And if you like very light coverage, probably you can go for this. Use your fingers, it will give you a better coverage and better finish also. I like the finish. I would give this lipstick a 3 on 5 or 3.5 on 5, just because even if it's a tint, I would expect a little more coverage, and I do not like the fact that it takes so much time to dry. So that's about it, girls. That's it for this video. I hope you like this one, and I hope this brings out the transparency. And I just wanted to let you all know that this is not a matte lipstick, it's a lip stain. So decide for yourself, don't spend just like that. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, share my channel, subscribe to it. I really want your support, and I hope that you're liking my videos. That's it for this one. I'll be up soon with my next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.